Red Sea, a narrow strip of water nestled between the deserts of East Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. Mostly barren coastlines with nearly zero vegetation lie in stark contrast to the abundance of life under the surface of the crystal blue water. The Red Sea, home to the world's northernmost tropical reef, with the world's largest diversity of marine fauna and the highest density of coral per cubic meter of sea. From this thriving reef ecosystem, we collect the salt that carries the living reef in every harvested grain. The all-natural, ecologically friendly salt production process begins at the source, the sea. Seawater, pumped from alongside the reef, undergoes natural evaporation in the hot, dry desert sun. In the first evaporation pond, increasing salinity precipitates calcium and many other metals out from the water. In subsequent ponds, as more water evaporates, sodium chloride crystals begin to form. In the final pond, the end of the evaporation process leaves behind crystals of raw sodium chloride, which are then washed and dried to remove organic and other impurities. The end result is 99.8% pure crystals of sodium chloride,